students. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to solve this kind of problems in less than 10 seconds. You students have all done this kind of problem in your boards class. But the traditional method of solving takes a long time, which is not at all suitable for entrance examination because of time constraints. In West Bengal JEE, you can get direct questions from this type. But for IIT JEE like examination, it has to be solved in between doing a sum. So from both ends, this method will be very useful. In boards exam, don't use this method to solve problems of this kind. Of course, you can check your answer by this method. Okay? Now let's see how much time it takes to solve each problem. Problem solved in 5 seconds. Problem solved in 9 seconds. Problem solved in 2 seconds. Problem solved in 9 seconds. At the first glance, students can think that I have memorized the answers. But trust me, I have not. After knowing the method, you will also do the problems in less than 10 seconds, guaranteed. So let's learn the trick. Remember one thing, if A, B, X, K all belongs to real number and a to the power x plus b to the power x is a to the power k plus b to the power k. If this is the condition and if you find that ab equals to 1, then directly you will write your answer will be x equals to plus minus k. That's it. Have you understood? If you see that in the question, the form is a to the power x plus b to the power x is a to the power k plus b to the power k and ab is 1, then directly you write the answer as x equals to plus minus k. That's it. Is it clear? Now let us move for the problems that we have done right now. And now we will solve the problem again by using our theory, by understanding our theory. Now for the first problem, a is 5 plus 2 root 6. And b is 5 minus 2 root 6. Therefore, a into b will give you 25 minus 24, which is equals to 1. Therefore, we can write, now we have 10 in the right hand side. So to get 10, I am writing 5 plus 2 root 6 whole to the power 1. Plus 5 minus 2 root 6 whole to the power 1. If I open the bracket, we are going to get 10, right? Therefore, we can directly write that x is nothing but your plus minus k. That is, x square minus 3 is nothing but plus minus 1. So, I have taken plus 1 first to get x square equals to 4. So, from there we are getting x equals to plus minus 2. And then we are taking minus 1 to get x square equals to 2, so we are getting x is nothing but plus minus root 2. It is as simple as that. Is it clear to all of you? Now let us move for the next sum. In this case again, a is 7 plus 4 root 3 and b is 7 minus 4 root 3. So AB will give you 49 minus 48, which is nothing but your 1. Is it clear? Now we can write the right hand side we are having 14. So 14 can be written as 7 plus 4 root 3 whole to the power 1 plus 7 minus 4 root 3 whole to the power 1. If I open the bracket, we are going to get 14, right? This much calculation you have to do only. Okay? So directly we can write that x is nothing but plus minus k. That is, x square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to plus minus 1. Okay? Now let me take minus 1 first. So we are getting x square minus 5x plus 6 is 0. From there we are solving for x and we are getting x is nothing but 2 and 3. Now we are taking plus 1. So we are getting x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So after solving we are getting x equals to 1, 4. That's it. Is it clear? Now let us come for the third sum. Here a is root 5 plus 2 and b is root 5 minus 2, right? So AB will give you 5 minus 4, which is nothing but 1. The right hand side we are having 18. 18 can be written as root 5 plus 2 whole square plus root 5 minus 2 whole square. So if I open the bracket, from the first one we are going to get 9 because 2AB will get nullified with minus 2AB from the second bracket. So from the first bracket we are getting root 5 square plus 2 square, that is 9. And from the second bracket also we are getting 9, which is nothing but your 18. So directly we will write, since here a to the power x plus b to the power x is a to the power k plus b to the power k. So I will directly write x is nothing but plus minus k. That is the theory. So in this case we will write directly x is nothing but plus minus 2. That's it. Is it clear? Now let us move for the last sum. Here a is 3 plus 2 root 2 and b is 3 minus 2 root 2, right? So we are getting AB is nothing but 9 minus 8, which is equals to 1. Now the right hand side is 34, which can also be written as 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square plus 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. Yes or no? So from the first bracket we are going to get a square plus b square as 9 plus 8. And 2AB will get nullified with the second bracket minus 2AB. So I'm not writing it. So from the second bracket again you are going to get a square plus b square, that is 9 plus 8, which gives you 34. Yes or no? So again this condition is satisfied. So directly I will write x is nothing but plus minus k. Therefore x square minus 3x is plus minus 2. First I have taken plus 2 to get x square minus 3x minus 2 as 0. So from there solving for x, we are getting x equals to 3 plus minus root 17 by 2. And then we are taking x, in the right hand side we are taking minus 2 to get the equation x square minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. Solving it we are getting x equals to 1, 2. That's it. Have you understood this?